What's up, guys? The reason why we're staring is we're doing a triple update today. Update on the FC, update on the Speed 3, and update on the Scottsdale around the corner. Just wanted to get at these tires. Finally got some new tires in this thing. I ended up getting a Toyota Extenza HP2s. I am in love with them, which need I say anything is an upgrade over those run flats that were on it. But these are actually really good bang for your buck. I get a discount through a certain wholesaler, so I got these for pretty cheap. But great tires, Toyota Extenza HP2s. Take that into consideration. Car still has lean code, still haven't figured it out. Cork Sport map sensor has gone bad again. This will be my third one from them under warranty. No hate towards them, but I don't know why they're continuously having issues. But let's go over to the truck here. Some more body work has been done on it. It's also running way better. I'm just loving that, like, most of the truck is, primed. We got this mirror fixed so it doesn't flop anymore. Got the door fixed so the door doesn't lock by itself anymore. Fixed the housing here for this taillight and this whole side of the bed has been primed. The hole has been filled. That still has to be slightly bent into the correct shape, and that's almost the right shape. Then that'll be done. See, it's just got to kind of have a swoop out like this side does. It's just got to kind of have that swoop out right there. It doesn't have that yet, but it will soon. And underneath this is terrible, man. Like, it looks like somebody did a cheap paint job on this truck 20 years ago, because it was rust, just small little pitted rust all the way across. So the primer's only going to be able to do so much. Next weekend, I think we're doing the door and the cab corners. And that's pretty much all there is with the truck. But it's coming together, man. It's like just another step towards the goal. Now, minding the RX-7 being a storage unit right now, picked up some stuff. As you can see, a pretty damn big box there. So we'll show you guys what I got. These are wide body quarter panels for the rear. So this is our put together knockoff. It was like maybe, say, less than $700 for the wide body fenders and quarters, which is cheap, but that's because they're cheap. They need to be filled in. These need to be modified to fit. That's fine. I also picked up a set of pretty mint S4 tails. I know everybody's probably wanting to shoot me right now because I got S4 tails instead of S5 tails, but have you seen the price of S5 tails? Yeah, we'll keep that. They can keep that. But this is a little trio update for the weekend. Don't forget, guys, to subscribe to me. I do put out new videos every week. Usually on the weekends. Obviously, as you just saw, multiple projects going on. Be sure to check out my other channel, Pints and Pistons. We do new episodes every other week. If you like beer, you like cars, you like talking about it, that's what Pints and Pistons is. But that's all for now, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and share my videos, and if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe already. And that is our little update for the week.